Okay, there we go. Let me fix my mic. It should be like up in there too. Let me one down, one down. Let's call it like here. There we go. Okay, that's not too late now. Okay. Um, let me slide this like that. Okay, I gotta put a little thing here. Let me. What is this? What's it called? Custom screen key. Custom screen key. And then I guess I should. Uh-oh. Oh man, why is that working? Screen key. Oh, come on, man. Okay, let's just yes. Screen key. I'm gonna spend. Oh wait. Hold on. Why is there there? Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I'm trying to get the screen key to work, but I don't know why it's not. Hold on. I'm gonna find the process though. No, no, no. Wait. Oh god, it's like it's bugging the hell out. Let me look at docs real quick. Screen key. That's not what I'm looking for. Screencast tool to display your keys on GitLab. Yes, I think it's what we're using. Okay, let me see, because it's GTK issue, obviously, but GTK critical. What is this? Screen key. I just want to fix this, man. Come on, here. Come on. Why is this not fixing? I can close this. I don't need to see Kitty anymore. I'm not gonna worry too much about this, but I would really like to have it because it looks pretty, and also there's a big black bar on my screen now. You guys can't see that obviously, but it is there. I promise you. Like, no, it doesn't work when I move stuff, and it doesn't seem to appear either. Okay, that's obviously not working. Okay, so what do I do? Hold on. Because this is kind of annoying, I'm gonna be honest. Let me search for screen key. Alright, I gotta start using Peru. Like, so much faster normally. I say that and then it takes like 30 seconds to load it. A screencast tool to display your keys. Yeah, I have that slide. Okay, what's screen flick? I'm guessing that's, oh yeah, that's like a whole different thing. Okay, screen key. I'll show your keys based by infrared screens. Okay, that's, okay, yeah, so I have the right package installed. Yeah, this is screen key. I'm looking at the package right now. That's the right package. Yeah, there's the official Arch package. Yeah, that's the right thing. Let me update it. I think Peru is the same commands, hopefully, because I don't feel like relearning everything. It should for the most part. I think it's just different. Oh shit, I got it. Oh, action required. Oh shit. Okay, I definitely need to look at that tomorrow. Okay, I'll do it later. Peru dash s screen key. Oh, you actually gotta like present that shit. Oh, fuck. Okay, so mark as unread. Yes, that's fine. Whatever you want to do. GTK issue again. Okay, why? Hold on. What should I be using to kill processes? PSAX rep screen key, and then I should be able to kill 11425. But it's still there. Okay, this is a pain. X display server. Hover over token information. I forget what this is called. How do I? X02, I think. No, it's not that. Because I know I have it installed. Information. Oh my gosh. What is it? X, that's gonna be like X. It's not that. Okay, wait, I can just do find window class X display server, because I forget what this is. X prop. I'm gonna act like I knew that entire time. Okay, so why is this? No, that's not OBS. I'll be honest, I don't know why this isn't working. And I just spent like 15 minutes trying to debug this. Okay, I might have to reboot. I don't know, because I can't. The screen key will not go away, which is making my life very hard. Yeah, it just is. It just is. To disable screen key while recording, press both control keys, both shift key, or both alt keys at the same time. So I feel like it's just bugged in the top corner of my third monitor, which is making my life very painful and annoying. You know you're here. Are you still updated though? Let me see. Primergen, typing. I don't know what it is. What does? It's the only thing I know. Primergen use for recording key presses. There we go. This. Screen key. Yeah, that's great, but okay, so it is screen key, but it's not working. That makes my life harder. Select window region. Initialization failure. Okay, screen key is very sensitive. Okay, so I wonder. Okay, that is empty. The IBES package daemon thing should be installed. That's gonna wait. IBES pack. I don't think I need this because I'm not running IBES, but I don't wait. Does no? I think I do need that. So pro-ss IBES. Okay, it's gonna act like we're okay. That's not helpful at all, is it? Oh my god. Okay, let me just Google this. It's gonna make my life so much easier. IBES AUR. Let me see. Okay, yeah, no, it's just the IBES package. Pro-ss IBES. Yes. Oh wait, IBES. Wait, IBES daemon maybe. I should really actually be working on the stuff that I need to be working on, but I really want to get this little thing working. IBES daemon AUR, and I'm not searching through the command line because it's being way too slow. Okay, I think it's just called ibis-daemon. First submitted for a long time ago, updated also a long time ago. We'll just not worry about that. Okay. Maybe this will help it. I am like actually trying to troubleshoot for once in my life. Yes. Download, please. Okay, I guess we'll keep reading this while this downloads. Okay, so I have a station above. Hi there, Veer. Okay, so I'm trying to troubleshoot this for if I can get this working. Right, there we go. Yes, accept changes. I'll be working on, if I can remember there we go. There we go. Working on tortillas is a terminal TUI BitTorrent client. There we go. There's the words. But I really want to get this little thing working first. So we're trying to do that. So it should work now. Maybe no. Okay, still GTK critical. Let me look. Scan stop screen guy. Okay, PK. Yeah, but I didn't do that. Oh, it's still there, isn't it? Okay, that's not useful. Yeah, this is making my life hard. I might just have to not worry about this and actually do something, but I would like to fix it, because now I have this little black bar in the top of my the bottom of my third monitor, and it's gonna nag me for the rest of my life, I think, or until I log out, I guess. Okay, I guess. Why doesn't it keeps some of these GTK? I don't know anything about GTK other than what it is. I don't know how to debug it. System. We're gonna act like I didn't just forget how to type journal CTL. Is that most recent? No, journal CTL -R. Okay. Let me look. And here, let me run this. Let me run screen key. And then see if I get anything interesting in journal CTL. No. Absolutely not. Session closed. No. Okay. Nothing fun. Okay, so that's not really useful to me. Okay, so in that case... Okay, I guess I'm just going to forget about that for now, and I will fix it tomorrow, because I do actually need to, like, work on this. I want to have it done before college starts, which is in exactly a month from today. But I'm not close to that. Okay, so the current issue is that, let me start Wireshark real quick. I'm gonna have to hide Wireshark because I will definitely dox myself, but Wireshark host. I'm not doxing myself yet, maybe. Okay, now we'll slide this over here. Okay, then Control Z, background, slide back over. Go back over here. Okay, yeah, okay, so let's just start by running the test that's failing right now, which is cargo, next test, run, no, capture, what's the test? I think it's test, I don't know what the test name is, I'm not gonna try and guess. And yeah, I know, I gotta break up this file, I'm going to, but I want to get this fixed first. And then it's gonna be some massive refactor. Okay, it should be test peer connection. Test peer connection. Okay, so there's the failing test. So why is that not working? That is a good question. That is a very good question. Okay, so okay, so the extended handshake. Oh right, 'cause I'm trying to send the. Yeah, I'm trying to send that. Is it? It can't be the wrong data. Oh, maybe. Okay, I haven't thought of that yet. What if it's the wrong data type? What if it expects like the piece to be a string or the message type to be? Let me see. I wonder. Um, open file. Oh, wait. Okay, I need to go to here and then I'm literally just gonna go to nvem temp that text, and we're just gonna save the Ben coded output. Say copy bytes as UTF-8 text, paste into here. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to send to the peer. All right. Open file temp.text. Okay, so this decodes completely fine, which is great, but I wonder if I am Ben coding it wrong because the initial data type is wrong, which is a bit of a far-fetched, but maybe, just maybe. Okay, so let me look at some examples. This does include the metadata. Okay, so this, let's see. Okay, so ignoring the UT metadata part, we can think about that later. Both the message type and the piece are considered integers. That's the same for both of these. And for like this, oh, I might have just seen. There's no way. There's actually no way I spent this long on this, and it's this. There's actually no way. If this is it, if this is what I think it is, I'm actually gonna lose it. Okay, I think I want to say that the issue is the message type is being one indexed instead of zero indexed. So yeah, that's how my day is going apparently. Okay, so let me remove this. Let me remove. Oop, not that. That's important. This. Let me go to extended command. Because it should be. Okay, because one is a data message. I want to send a request message. So I'm sending a message type. But this should be 0. But it's not. That looks like the only thing that's wrong with this. So. Okay. Okay. I think that's the issue. So let's go to close that and that. Go to pure messages, and then look where message type. I am doing that there, right? Message. Oh. That might have been the issue. Okay, I'm really hoping that was the issue. Please. Please. Oh, come on, man. I was so excited. Okay, that was not helpful. Okay, okay. I was so excited for a moment. I really was. Thank you, phone, for reminding me to take my medicine. Take my medicine. Okay. I was so excited for a moment. I'm not excited now. Let me add this to my to-do list real quick. Tomorrow, setup, screen key. Okay. Now I'm sad. Okay, so if that didn't work, let's reinspect. Okay, so maybe, okay. It still could be. Maybe we don't. want to send this initial handshake that we are sending. That still could be a possibility, because I don't know. Again, like, a lot of this is kind of up in the air. I just don't know, because the documentation doesn't state clearly. Okay, well, it wasn't that clearly. So it's definitely still mad about this message, which is not really that useful to me. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let's think about this. So, okay, let me copy this and let's go back to comparing it to the given example. Okay, so this should be an example of a request message. Like, is that okay? That's the exact same thing. That's the exact same thing. Oh my gosh. That is literally the exact same thing. Okay. So maybe, okay, so it's either how we're sending it, which is possible, but not likely, because everything else works fine. Does it, hold on, let me look, okay, let me try and torrent with BitTorrent. Not, yeah, with BitTorrent. Let me see, if this makes, let me see what the handshake process looks like here. Okay, then I can kill this. Because again, I'm watching Wireshark on my other monitor, but I feel like I'm pretty sure I would dox myself if I didn't do this. So, okay, does it expect a bit field? Does it need? Because everything else should be optional. Okay, no, we definitely do send the handshake back first. Okay, so okay. Just to clarify, okay, so we do send a handshake back. That handshake should have the UT metadata in the M dictionary, and that should be it, because that's the only thing that we support. Um, I'm setting that to 2 for now. I think that's okay, but I'm honestly not completely sure. I should probably check that. Let me look actually. Okay. Okay, I'm very sure that it can be like just whatever. It should be in BEP 10. Okay, that's prefix. Immediately after the standard BitTorrent handshake to any peer that supports this extension protocol is about to send the handshake message more than once. Well, the should not be disconnected. Implementation may choose to ignore the subsequent handshake messages or parts of them. Subsequent handshake messages can be disable. There's additive. For the value 0, use to turn. The extension IDs must be stored for every peer, because every peer may have different IDs. Okay, so that's fine. Yeah, that can just be whatever. The specification celebrities necessary any such peer exchange. Yep, that's fine. Why the ID should be defined in the handshake is to avoid having a global registry of message IDs. Instead, the names of the message are unique names. Okay, then, yeah, so unique names like we do. Yeah, that stuff, whatever. uTorrent. Okay, my one question right there. I'm very sure that it is just UT metadata, but I want to make sure that oh god, man. Yeah, I want to make sure that it's not supposed to be something else. I'm very sure that's fine. Yeah. That's fine because the client that sent that handshake message has UT metadata, but the client is a key BitTorrent client. So that's fine. Um, yeah. And actually, there's something interesting here. Upload, upload only. I wonder if this is. I'm guessing this is for something else, but let me upload only BitTorrent. Um, I just want to see like what the BEP is from. Oh, great. It should be deprecated. Yay. Um, Notification. Anything else is true. Okay, so that could potentially mean that. Let me look at BEP 21. BEP 21. That could potentially mean that. Let me see. They were not supposed to upload. This peer is not interested in downloading anything. Oh, no, that's fine. Yeah, no, that does not matter. Okay, okay, so URIP version, upload only, RIQQ, metadata size, UTPEX, and then all the stuff, the M dictionary. Again, I know you guys can't see this, but I cannot risk doxing myself because I totally would. The port. Okay, I'm asking what the port message is about, but I'm not gonna worry too much about it. Okay, still be, oh, okay, there's the extended message that we send. Okay, so we definitely send a handshake back, right? Okay, so at the bare minimum, we send a handshake back. And then we go from there, but wait, is it? Hold on, I wonder, am I doing this right? Extended should be option extended message. Yeah, but am I doing that right in send? Messages, pure message extend. ID is U8, extend message none. But I think we're doing that though, right? Cause I go here right now. Sorry if I go here. We have sent message to peer adder, right? Yeah. Sent extended handshake to handle send with intersend TX. Great. Okay. This made a pain. Okay. Man, I do not know how to solve this. I do not know. Okay, so okay. So took a 200 TX for, then. 200 TX. 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 2 Yeah, we just write it, and then that should be fine. I don't see anything wrong with that right off the bat. Um, looking at the method we had to oh, okay, and then extended. And there's a bit field. Do we need to send a bit field like right away? No, there's no way. Let me reference my beautiful little diagram. I don't think we disconnect if we don't send a bit field. Yeah, no, it should be fine. Also, I need to. That's kind of broken. Oh, we'll fix it later. Don't worry. Okay. So clearly send an extended message first. So that's fine, but I don't know if we need to send a bit field after. I guess that's kind of what I'm confused about. I think it should be fine, shouldn't it? Oh, there is. Oh wait, that might be what I'm looking at. Or I should be looking at. No, wait. Oh, it is. It does look like. Okay, that's interesting. That's the message that okay, so they send that and they send that, so that's okay. Okay, that's like. Okay, it has to be. It. That's UTF text. And then temp to text. I know, you're fine. Okay, okay. BitTorrent is sending the exact same message. So, okay, it can't be an issue with that. It has to be an issue with the handshake then. Or when I'm sending that, perhaps? Maybe. Oh. Okay, the BitTorrent sets their message ID to 2. For now, let's do that. What? 2. There. Oh my gosh. We're just gonna copy BitTorrent for now because I'm lost for words otherwise. Okay. Oh, wait, hold on. No way. No way. No way that worked. Oh my god. Did that actually work? Why is it 2? Why is it 2? Why? Why is changing that to? I hate this fucking protocol. Look. I don't normally cuss on my channel because like I don't want like someone from the professional world to see that. I fucking hate this protocol. I swear. Okay. Now we're on to a different separate error, but that's much more manageable. 254 messages.rs, which is over here. 254. So that is from bytes, naturally. So it's 254 expected bytes or map got int 1. Okay. So I'm guessing who they send us. Oh, okay. Yep. So they send us the metadata back, and then obviously our client just ends it all here. Okay. Look. Okay. We've gotten somewhere. We've gotten somewhere tonight. You know, I'm happy about that. I don't like this protocol, and I wished I hadn't started this project, but we've gotten somewhere. You know what? And I am quite happy about that. Okay. Start band code from bytes. Reference pilot. Okay, what's the issue there? Okay, what is it? What is Mad exactly? I gotta change the bindings on Kitty. I might end stream early and do that, and also try and figure out the other thing. Okay, expected bytes or map got int 1. Ah. Okay, that's odd. That's odd. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, you know I am gonna end stream early, so I can go ahead and fix that other stuff. Okay. Thanks for watching. The one person that did watch, and I will hopefully stream again.